profit isn't leaking because demand isn't there, right? We know that even in a soft market, the demand for aftermarket increases, right? People want to keep and maintain the equipment they own. They don't want to replace, they want to repair. So customers are looking for fitment guidance, right? They're looking for compatibility information. They might need SKU supersession guidance, right? If they can't find the product data they need on the manufacturer's site, they're going to look somewhere else. You mentioned these B2B marketplaces, right? They're going to buy the replacement part. They just might not be buying it from the manufacturer. I I had this experience myself not too long ago. I had a dishwasher that broke. I needed the replacement part. I searched for it. I did go to the manufacturer first, but I ended up buying the part from this random website I'd never heard of, but I felt confident that it was the right part. Did a quick, trust pilot check. Is this company legit? And I bought the part and it worked because I felt confident that it was the right part. So I think the message at the end of the day is that if a manufacturer wants to own the customer relationship, the full product life cycle, if they want to capture those high margins that come with aftermarket parts, then the responsibility is on the manufacturer to provide the product data that a customer needs to confidently make that purchase. That responsibility is on the manufacturer. And when they don't provide that data, the customer goes somewhere else, that profit leaks to a competitor.